Hello, everyone. My name is Hector Mendoza. When we're out there in the field, there's occasionally we have to calculate, feet and inches. So sometimes we have to add multiple numbers. And some of them will be feet, inches. Some of them, we'll have to add. Sometimes we have to subtract. Sometimes we have to uh, multiply and divide. Okay, so I use three different devices. I have a manual calculator, which is this one right here. I have an app on my phone, which is this one here. And then I created an Excel file with a bunch of formulas. Because in Excel, it's not like you can just start adding and subtracting uh, inches and feet. You have to create a formula. And I've created this for y'all. So let me show you how each one of these devices work. So, if you want, you can buy any one of these devices. I have all three of them. I actually have more than this, but these are the ones that I use a lot. So now, um, so right here, I have some uh, feet and inches that I'm going to add. Okay, so let me clear this thing. So right now I got 3 feet, 2 inch plus 5 feet, 1 inch plus 6 feet, 11 inches plus 8 feet, 5 inch plus 9 feet, 10 inches plus 32 feet, 4 inches should add up to 65.9. And there it is, 65.9. Now, I'm going to show you how I use a different app. It's called my DeWalt app. Okay, so if I go to my DeWalt app, I'm going to do the same thing. What I like about this app is you can see the numbers as you're going. So if you make a mistake, you can change it. So let me make sure everything's clear. It is. Okay, so we got 3 feet, 2 inch plus I got 5 feet, 1 inch, 5 feet, 1 inch plus I got 6 feet, 11 inches, feet, 11 inches plus I got 8 feet, 5 inch plus 9 feet, 10 inch plus 32 feet, 4 inch equals 65.9, which is the same. Now I'm going to add this thing with my calculator Excel file that I created. So we got three, oops, 3 feet here. Let me reopen that because I hit a command that I shouldn't have hit here. So let me reopen that file. Okay, so we have 3 feet, 2 inch. Okay, we have 5 feet and 1 inch. 6 feet, 11 inch. 8 feet, 5 inch. 8 feet. Okay, so 9 feet, 10 inch, and 32 feet and 4 inch. Okay, so now you see right here, 65.9, just like those other ones. Now, what I like about this Excel file that I created, you know, if I go ahead and place that 65.9 here, I can easily multiply by 6 or divide it by 4 or multiply by 4, and it gives me my calculations down here. So, so that's all there is to this uh, Excel file, so I'll provide you with a copy of this. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to me. I have a bunch of different things that I post in YouTube. Again, thank you for watching my video.